Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I was going to go to the gym, but I think I'm just going to do a workout here and then go to the Ross nearby and walk for some steps. This is the cat cow pose. I love doing it for my breathing exercises. It looks hilarious though. Much better. Much better. Get out of here, you filthy animal. I decided to do my makeup and do a voiceover, so I'm using this NYX Jumbo pencil. It's iconic. Everybody knows about it if you've been in the YouTube community. And I just recently started doing my under eyes like this, and I love it. It makes them way more open. Curling my lashes, and I'm using this Bambi eye mascara. I think it's from Maybelline, and it's pretty good. Nothing crazy to rave about, but it does the job. And I've been using this eyelash serum to help my eyelashes grow. It's been working, but I haven't been using it as consistently, so I definitely need to get on that. And then for the next time I order it, I'm going to look for a cheaper one because I got this one that was like 75 bucks, and it's helping, but it's not like crazy. So I'm going to have to look for a more affordable lash serum. Alright, I'm curling the other eyelash. Quickly do my lashes. It's my least favorite part to take off at the end of the day because it's so hard. And then this eyebrow pencil is from Nabla. It's called Brow Ambition. It's a micro stroking brow pen. You have to be really light or else it'll come off really dark and harsh. So I'm not too big of a fan of it because you have to be really light-handed. But it looks natural if you do the light hand, so that's a plus. But I'm just not a fan of the felt tip. It's too easy for me to overdo it. I'm brushing them out with my spoolie from the eyebrow pencil I had for a different product. This It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. I really like it. It says it has some skincare properties in it to help you. I don't really notice, it doesn't break me out, so that's good, but I don't really see it giving my skin any benefits other than that. And it is moisturizing, I will say. It's definitely not drying, and it's pretty light. I'm not too big of a fan of the heavier, cakier foundations. And I'm also using the It Cosmetics foundation. I think it's the airbrush foundation brush. I got it several Christmases ago, and I still love it. They have really good brushes. Alright, moving on to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, of course. This is the Ultra Creamy, and it does the job. Just putting in all areas that I want to highlight, because this is a shade lighter than my foundation, so it pretty much just highlights and will offer some contrast to my contour, which is why I put it on the bottom of my jawline. So that'll pop. And then on my nose, I do the inner, I don't know what you call it, the inside of the bridge, and then the tip. And since getting my lips done, I love how they turned out. They're definitely healing really well. The bruising is going down. I still have a little bruise, but it's definitely going in the right directions in terms of what I want them to look like. So I'm very happy with that purchase. Okay, I sped it up a little bit because it was taking forever to get through the makeup. So this is the Clinique Chubby Stick Contour. It's in number 1 curvy contour. I like the way it blends. I'm using the Eco Tools contour stick or contour blending brush. So it blends pretty seamlessly. The only thing is they don't have a wide range of colors, so they're not very inclusive with their collection, I would say. And it's not the most affordable, so you can definitely find a similar contour stick for less money. But it does the job, at least for myself. Not too streaky. I need to research more about like primers and what works with what kind of products, because I'm using this primer by Bobbi Brown, the vitamin enriched lotion, but I'm not exactly sure if it works with all my products that well. So this is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores translucent powder. Does the job. I've also been looking for a powder though that's like really, really good, that's gonna wow me, and I haven't found one yet. So if you guys have any good powders that you swear by, please let me know. But this powder does the job. I need to reapply maybe like once if I'm out wearing it for a long time, but other than that, it's pretty good. Then I'm using this NARS Orgasm X blush, another classic, an oldie. And I was using this brush, I believe by Eco Tools, and it was coming out pretty blotchy. So that's what I mean by I need to look at my primers and stuff, because I don't know, I feel like it came out kind of blotchy when I was doing it on that side, which is why I was like doing it so excessively to try and even it out. But I just gave up and moved on to the next step. So I'm using the Too Faced bronzer Milk Chocolate, another classic from the oldies. It's in Soleil, and I love this one because it does smell like chocolate if you go ahead and smell it. Just don't eat it. And then I just put it all places where I would just contour, just kind of lightly shadow over it. And then wipe off all the powder I have with this It Cosmetics powder brush. And then I try to go in with the blush again because I don't like the way it looks, but it's whatever. This is supposed to be an easy makeup look. I always go a little bit overboard. I feel like I just want to be like, oh, let me just do some concealer. But then I'm like, no, it looks weird. Like I need to do a full face. And then I finish off with this Honesty, that's the color name, Bare Minerals lipstick I got. It was a free gift. I think it was for my birthday. I picked it up, and it's really cute. And then the spray from Tarte Shape Tapes Stay Spray. I like it. And then just put some shimmer on my inner corners, and that's my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. No, don't tell me it's another biscotti.
It's another biscotti.
Are you sure that's number 3? I'm getting kind of mad now.
I'll eat it.
Why didn't they put it in a different order? No, I'm still gonna eat it. But... All right, so day 3, the almond biscotti.